Today we're showing you how Fluix handles a multi-step equipment inspection. From the worker to the supervisor and finally to the right storage or person, all in one seamless flow. We'll start with two key components that are built in Fluix: the fall protection form, built using the form builder, and the workflow built-in workflow builder with full customization. The workflow routes the form from the worker to the supervisor, then triggers different actions based on the supervisor's final decision. Before a shift, the worker opens the fall protection form in the Fluix app, fills in equipment details, answers safety questions, signs, and submits. When the worker submits the form, Fluix then sends the completed form as a new task straight to the supervisor. The supervisor gets a notification, opens the task, reviews the worker's responses, especially the safety questions, signs, and chooses one of two options. If everything is compliant, the supervisor approves the inspection by clicking the Approve button. The workflow ends, and the fully signed form is automatically stored in the chosen main completed inspections folder in Fluix Storage, Google Drive, or SharePoint. If the equipment is not compliant, the supervisor submits the form for repair request. This triggers two actions. An email with the form goes immediately to the equipment manager, and the form is stored in a dedicated Damaged Equipment Reports folder for tracking and audits. That's how Fluix connects your inspection process from inspection team to supervisor in one smooth, automated flow. To find out more, book your demo now at sales@fluix.io. Field work done right with Fluix.